Charleston Tower, Skyhawk 737 Alpha Alpha, ready for takeoff, runway 23 at Alpha.
Skyhawk 737 Alpha Alpha, Charleston Tower, turn right heading 330, wind is 290 at 18, gust 22, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Right, 330, clear for takeoff, runway 23, Skyhawk 737 Alpha Alpha.
You didn't sound so happy to say cleared for takeoff. That's only gusting 22.
Yeah. So I'm going to hold it on the ground a little bit more to make sure I'm at least at 60.
Okay.
And he said 290.
290 is what I heard too.
So coming from the right.
Yeah. Remember, just keep your aileron correction in there, and then as you lift off, take it out and grab into the wind.
All right. Aileron over, all the way.
All right.
Flaps up, full rich, both.
You might want to take a little bit out just because of the
Trim,
pad.
locked, locked.
That's good. Yeah.
And locked. Airspeed is alive, 2,300 RPMs. Oil pressure is in the green.
Good.
40. 50. Rotate.
There it is. Keep us in the
65.
wind. We'll climb out at 70. 70 to 75-ish.
Here's 80.
Look at that crab angle.
Wow.